inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you. La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los niños.
Each other's.
Thanks, guys. A lot of people do that.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with a capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and service conditions.
Monitoring road surface. OnStar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Y'all are the most eco.
We're the most efficient.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Eco doesn't go fast.
Okay. Responsiveness data is now being sent.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Okay.
main power test results. Track performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compare with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our storing area.
Exit to the left, please, guys. Watch your step.
There you go.
You want to do your thing? See if it shows up. I see ours. We won! You got 200, we got 213.